Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. For the first time ever on my channel, I have a new mystery box. Elf has had their first mystery box, and you guys know I love a good mystery, and you guys know I love a good makeup mystery box. So I had to get it. So if you guys want to see what's in the first time ever Elf Cosmetics mystery box, then keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. My name is Aisha and I absolutely love makeup. Makeup is always going to be like my favorite hobby to look into. I love learning new makeup techniques. I love trying new makeup products. I'm constantly buying makeup. It's like an addiction. On the good side to that, I get to always try good stuff because I always try mystery boxes and I do a lot of makeup subscription boxes on my channel. I'm just like a makeup junkie, and if you're watching this video, most likely you are too. So welcome. Welcome to the Makeup Anonymous Makeup Junkie channel. If you love makeup as much as I do, I would just say, subscribe to my channel, show your girl some support. It's greatly appreciated. I am still a new channel here. I think I've had my channel for like a year and a half now, and I'm just happy for all the new subscribers that I've been getting. It's becoming like a family. Love you guys so much, and our family is growing strong. All is welcome here. This is a friendly, makeup-friendly environment. So if you love makeup and if you especially love makeup mystery boxes, I would say subscribe to my channel because you're going to see a lot of that here. I'll actually link my makeup mystery boxes down below because I've done so many from like every makeup brand that has a makeup mystery box for the most part. I have done on my channel. If I don't like the brand, then that's probably why you don't see it on my channel. Or if I feel like the brand doesn't have good shades for my skin tone, because unfortunately it's 2022 and a lot of brands still aren't inclusive for everyone, then I'm not gonna put their stuff on my channel, and I'm not gonna open a box and have a box full of stuff that I can't use for my skin tone, which is not really fun. I want to actually use the stuff that I'm buying. So Elf has a nice big range of colors, and is very inclusive. So if you guys want to see what I got, I'm about to do the unboxing. But before I do, let's just talk a little bit about the box. So it says you get 6 items in this box. It is a value of $38 and it's yours for $28. So it's not that much of a big value like when you do other mystery boxes, because usually it's way more. You save a lot more. Here you're only saving $10, but I thought it would be a fun box to unbox on my channel since I've never done one before. So it says these are the things you'll get. So you're only going to get one of each item. One lip product, one face product, one eye product, one skincare product, one application tool, and one primer. So that's kind of cool. I don't own a lot of e.l.f. stuff. I love the e.l.f. beauty blender, that red beauty blender. I forgot who I was watching, and they raved about it, and I tried it, and I actually really do love it. And I'm trying to think of anything else I really love from e.l.f. I have a liquid lip that I love from e.l.f. as well, but I don't really have a lot of stuff from the brand. So why not try some more products from them by getting a makeup mystery box? So we're going to dig into the box. But if you haven't already and you think my channel is something that you would like to watch, subscribe to my channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. And if you do, just make sure you hit a notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a new video. Alrighty. So the box came like so. And I already tore off the top just for filming purposes because I had my address on it. I haven't opened up a P.O. box yet. I think I'm going to wait till like I get to at least 2,000 subscribers and then I'll open up a P.O. box where you guys can send me mail if you guys want or anything like that. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you guys would like. A couple of you guys had said that you would love to, you know, write me something or send me something. Honestly, it's not you guys' job to ever send me anything. Like, I love doing my giveaways and sending you guys stuff to show my token of appreciation. But I know a couple of you guys had messaged me in my DM saying you just want to send a thoughtful letter to me, you know, and so forth. So that's something I'm thinking about doing. I'm not going to do it as of yet. A lot of changes, like I said, will happen when I hit 2,000 subscribers. I want to do like a question and answer and all that fun stuff so you guys get to know me a little bit better. Since like my subscribers, most of my subscribers have been on my channel for the most part for the long run. Like, I could name a couple of people who started from the very beginning. So we have become a family. And I want you guys to get to know me a little bit more, although it does scare me. I am a little vulnerable to, you know, having an open platform because obviously once I put this out, my information out here is for the world to see. And I have nothing to hide, but it's just people can be a little judgmental. And for the most part, I've had the best experience on YouTube, but some people are nasty. Once they start to know a little bit about your life, they start to judge you. And I'm not here for anybody to judge me. I'm just here to share my love for makeup with other people who love makeup. So little by little, I will start opening up more and sharing more. And depending on how nice you guys are, I'll share more. But once people start, you know, getting crazy on my channel, I'm probably going to push back because it took me a lot to start this channel. I'm not going to lie. It took me a lot because I'm like, I don't want to have my business out there and any random person can watch my video whenever. But I mean, this is something I always want to do, and somebody very special to me pushed me to do this, and I appreciate it because like I always would have wondered what would have happened if I didn't start my channel. So far, I'm so happy that I did. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Sorry for the mini rant. I got a little emotional. But I'm ready to dig into this box. It's like Christmas. Ooh la la. Alrighty. So, there's no way you would have known what was in this box. There was a little thing that said ELF. I just tore it off just to show you guys. Like, it was just this little thing. But rather than that, you wouldn't have known what the box was about. So, let's see. So it has like a lid and a cover and a cover. And then this is what was inside. So let's see what I got for $28. Alrighty, so the first thing I see is the ELF Beauty Blender. I'm wondering if this color means anything. Because like Beauty Blender, all of the colors is just a different color, but they're all for the most part the same Beauty Blender. I have the red one, so I wonder if the performance of the red one is the same as this fuchsia one. Nevertheless, pink's my favorite color, so I love that it's a pink Beauty Blender. So I'm very happy with my first item. The next item is something in this box. Let's see what it is. Oh, boo. It's like a blush highlighter, but it's way too light for my skin tone. So this is going to go in one of my giveaways for my next future giveaway. And yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to use this. This is way too light for my skin tone. Am I upset? No, because I know when you do makeup mystery boxes, 9 times out of 10, they're going to be things that you can't really use. And, you know, it's the luck of the draw. Sometimes you get a lot of stuff that you can use, sometimes you don't, but it's a mystery box. And lucky for me, I have a channel where I can, you know, give stuff like this away if it doesn't work for me. I also, on the side, as my side hustle, sometimes do makeup gigs, like weddings, proms, bar mitzvahs, all of that fun stuff. And then certain things that I like, I keep for my kit. So it's still always a win-win for me. The next thing I'm actually super excited to try. I mean, I'm a little late to the game. I'm jumping on the bandwagon a little late, but it's the Poreless Putty Primer that everybody like raves about. All these YouTubers have raved about it, and I just have so much stuff now that it's like, I have to use the stuff that I have, so I never bought it. So now I get the chance to try it. So I'll try this tomorrow when I do my makeup. Has no scent, but I mean, people raved about it, so now I get a chance to rave about it if it's good. The next thing I got is a clear lip gloss from e.l.f. We all can use a clear lip gloss. So far, it's nothing here is like, oh my gosh, I really want to try this. I mean, I feel like e.l.f. stuff is never like, oh my gosh, you know, but it's just, you know, it's like the basic artistry, like makeup stuff, but it's not like getting like a, let me see, a Anastasia palette or a, what's another good palette? Like, it's just nothing like, it's basic. Like, this is like basic stuff. A primer, sponge, clear gloss. Get what I'm trying to say here or no? Alrighty, nevertheless, the next thing I got is a No Budge shadow stick in Perfect Pearl. That's what she looks like. Let's see. Oh, the color's pretty. Probably could use this for like under my brow bone or like an eyeshadow base. I do like this and I would use this as well. So far, the only thing the four things here I would use. This, not so much. The next thing I got is a e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. That's what it looks like. Now, my skin is dry, so I don't know how I feel about this, but I did this on my channel before. Sometimes at night, I do wear a hydrating moisturizer just because it makes my skin feel so nice and plump in the morning. But my skin is more oily. So I keep a couple hydrating moisturizers. So I'm going to keep this. Plus, I've always wanted to try some of the e.l.f. skincare stuff. I've never tried anything from their skincare. So this, when I really like a brand too, I do tend to want to try like everything from their brand. So this is what it looks like. e.l.f. Skin Face Cream. It looks like a whipped cream here. So I'm excited. I'll try this out tonight and see my thoughts on it. Anything with hyaluronic acid in it is great. Oh, it says skin types, dry, oily combination, so I could use it. It says it has hyaluronic acid, it has peptides, niacinamide, squalene, vitamin B5, which is a whole bunch of good stuff. AKA, it has a whole bunch of good stuff in here. So I'm excited for my box. Was it something to write home about? In my honest opinion, probably not. But I mean, I'm going to use like everything here. It's stuff that I could use. So I'm happy about it. And this, I'm going to give away because I definitely can't use these shades. But I'm still excited to try some stuff from e.l.f. What did you guys think? I mean, I paid $28, so you're not going to get a $200 value from a $28 box. So for the price range, I think I did get my money. Like, you did get your money's value worth. Like I said, you only saved $10, but it's a nice something different for e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm wondering if other people got the same stuff or if it was different. I haven't looked at anybody else's video as of yet. I tend to like to film my video first, and then I'll watch other people's video afterwards to see how they like theirs. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys to pieces. If you haven't already, subscribe, show your girl some love, leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.